Habagran ni kilat patai kubora ke arpulai terik ujeliu arhajar arpusan halor karai ban Bujli Mynti nak NPP. Usembut Menteri Rang Bah Kejela Bah Prestone Censong ulong bagarai ban Bujli Mynti ha ke Sorkar kasyong ha Menteri Rang Bah. Kane kalong halor kajing ikubor bahai kibenai banwan kandan kajing Bujli Mynti hapoh ke Sorkar Sorkar MDA-2 belayalam nak NPP. Bah Prestone Censong ulong ba amdan iya iban ong ha kabede bagajing Bujli Mynti namarkan syong ha karai jong Menteri Rang Bah Kejela. Nalor kani halor kajing ikubor Bu James PK Sangma unla banwan kumu MP Syakar Raja Sabha. Bah Prestone Censong ulong ba hado mentah keseng kepada keren. Yano anpa kum UMP Syakar Raja Sabha. Laban kedau bagi samoi terekam jung MP Syakar Raja Sabha Dr. WR Karluki ubana keseng NPP memikmat Kejela Meghalaya kan kod kesenam arhajar arpuhun rio. Habakran halor kani State President jong NPP ubadairu sembut Menteri Rang Bah Kejela Bah Prestone Censong ulong bah hado mentahi keseng kampat dan kejingnya keren halor kani.
As far as reshuffling of ministers is concerned, it is totally the prerogative of the Honorable Chief Minister. So I have nothing to say with that. So it is up to the Honorable Chief Minister to take a call on this.
So there are reports that Reshuffling.
No, that's what I'm saying. I have nothing to say on this or to comment anything because this is the prerogative of the Honorable Chief Minister.
Can you tell us the Committee on Railways, is it Committee on...
Yeah, it is there. The Committee on Railway is there, and then CM will call a meeting sooner or later, that all party meeting. So he will call very soon to discuss about the issue of the railway.
One or two political parties not willing to join.
I have nothing to say on that. That also I have no comment at all. But what I'm saying is we have decided from the government that we will have all party meeting on the subject of railway.